How to fix annoying green lines in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your phone. For restart your phone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then reset all your settings, and for reset settings, go in settings and open general and scroll down. Here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and click on reset and reset all settings, and here you can enter your passcode to reset all the settings, and here you confirm to reset all the settings. It will be reset all your phone settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other data. It will be reset all the settings. So after reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. After that it is doesn't fix, then open setting again and click on general and open software update, and here you can check your iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updated latest iOS version, your problem will be fixed. And it will not be fixed, then put your phone in recovery mode, and for recovery mode, connect the charger and press and hold the volume down button and power button at the same time. Thanks for watching this video.